Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install Range Rover wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day!